Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add two accounts in Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account, click on the profile icon and tap on the three line at the bottom right corner, settings and privacy, account center, scroll down, select account, click on add account. If you want to sign up new account, or if you have already another account, easily log into here. Just need to log in, tap on, continue, confirm account. So I already added this account. So if you want to follow this process, you can easily add another Instagram account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.